Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make your own barrier shader in Unity just like the one in Fortnite. So let's get started. So to start out here we have a scene which has a plane. So what you're going to want to do is right click, create a shader graph, URP, and a lid shader graph, and rename it to barrier barrier. Now you can open it up, but I already have it, so I'll just delete it. So now that we're in the shader, you can copy this all down. Make sure in the graph settings you have the surface type to transparent and not opaque. For the stripes texture, you will need an image. The image link will be in the description. Make sure in the color section to put your color to HDRP, that way you can give it an emissive effect. Now that we're done with that, you can add the barrier shader to the plane. Right here, I just drag onto the barrier shader onto the white material. For the stripes texture, drag in the stripes image. For the color, put it to any color you like. The size determines how many lines there are and how big and small they are. The speed determines how fast the lines are going, and if you don't want them to move at all, just set the speed to 0. The rotation amount determines how much the lines are rotated. And finally, the thickness determines how thick the lines are. The exact shader I have here, the size is 1.5 by 1.5, the speed is -0.1, the rotation amount is 2, and the thickness is 0.075. And that's how to make the barrier shader from Fortnite. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.